I'm going to the market to get makeup products and all of that.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe it, better receive it.
So hi guys, welcome to another video. Before I start, I know you guys are already tired of this stuff, but there's nothing I want to do. This is what I wear basically at home. So, and when I want to carry my camera, I'm always on the top, but don't worry, we'll try as much as possible to change it. So I have a lot to do today actually. I'm going to the market to get makeup products and all of that to start learning how to do makeup on my face. Cause you guys, I think I just need to look good, right? And I'm also doing it because of something that I'm going to share with you very soon or maybe later. Let's just see how it goes. So I have to learn how to do makeup and let's see how it goes. So hi guys, welcome back once again. I just got back from the market. I'm so tired and exhausted actually. But I just want to show you guys a quick, should I say, unboxing of what I got. And so basically I got random products that can just work for me until I learn how to do it very well, and then I start spending money on real products, like expensive products. Because if I spend money and I waste it and it's not working, so I just got certain things. So so everything is here. This is what I got. But I got a makeup bag. Yeah, that's what they call makeup bag. So this is what it looks like inside. That's a space here, maybe for the brush and all of that. But I got a makeup bag. So this is the makeup bag I got. This is the space. Now let's start opening one after the other. They said this one is color palette. I don't know what it is actually, but let me just show you guys. So as I said earlier, I just got products so that I can use it to learn, and then later I'm going to get better. So this is it. This is what is there. I don't think, but they said it's good. People I met, they use it, so it's not like it's a bad thing. So I'm coming. Let's see. Hey, okay, it's fitting. It fits. It's already here. I got a set of brush. This one is expensive. I don't know. Sent me message. Let me even count how many brushes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 24 brushes. Makeup people are trying you. They said this is the complete set. That's what she told me. So that's why I got it, because every other thing that she's showing me is cheap but it's not complete. So I just have to go with the one that is complete, as they said. So we're going to be putting this one in the brush space. Okay. I have a makeup product. I got wipes. I have a bigger wipes. Let me show you guys. I have wipes, but I just think this one, I don't want to use it for learning whatever. So I'm going to be using this. So this is setting spray. They showed me a lot, but at last we went for this. Can you see it? So I don't know the brand though. Okay, green thing, whatever. Kiss Beauty. So I'm already fixing it one after the other. Okay, I got lip palette because it has a lot of lip lifting. I don't know. And instead of getting lipstick that would still do the same thing. I got lip palettes. I don't know how it works actually, but I got it already. Okay, yeah, I got this. I saw someone on YouTube using this actually to do. So I said they did not even tell me. They said, this one I saw it. Let me buy it. I got lashes. I don't know if it's going to fit me. I hate it, but now since I have a contact lens that I can wear to my eyes, I think I can still wear this. So I got this one too. Setting powder. I don't know. They gave me white, and I said white as out. So they gave me this. Let's just see. I don't know. I got a lot of things. So this eyeliner gel. They said eyeliner gel. I got this. I got this foundation. Yeah, I said it that they did not give me that last thing. So I wanted to mix my foundation, this and a lighter color. But now, I did not later pick it. I did not know that it's not there. I thought we counted it. Or maybe we counted it and it's not here. I did not get it again. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using. I think we still have to, because we thought we were going to mix it with a lighter one. That's why I picked this extreme dark one. So I got this for my eye because I don't like all those color, pink, yellow. I don't like it. So I said I want something natural. And if I'm going to do any makeup still, it's going to be natural makeup. So I got this one for my eyeshadow. That's what they call it. So she gave me this Lagel primer. They said it's important. I don't know. I got this. What's it called? I don't know. I got two. Hi. I said it that they did not pack all my things. Oh. Because why is it missing? And I paid. So, okay, let me just skip this one. I bought a smaller one and it's not here. I don't know what I should do. I wanted it to be two. So instead of using only one, I got two and it's not here. I bought concealer. They said this is my color. So I bought concealer too. Now, I got whatever it is, I don't know. I'll put it where the brushes are. I got pencil, two pencil, and one lip liner. So I'm going to put the wipes too inside. Guys, this is my go-to lip gloss. Like you can see from here, I have two more that is even finished. I'm just pressing and I'll still continue to press. So when I saw it there, because we are seeing other flavor, not this one, I had to get it again. But guys, I'm pained because I did not see that two other things I got. See, the nylon is already empty. Hey, I'll call her. Thank God I collected that number. If not, I'll cry. So that's just everything I got for the makeup product, and I hope you guys are going to come on the journey to learn with me because it was a lot. Yeah, let me first close the bag. So guys, I also have a makeup bag. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? So this is how it's looking. So I think I'm going to put my contact lens inside because there's no way I can put it. So it's just going to be inside. Anytime I know I want to use it, I'm going to go into my makeup bag to look for it. So this is going to be the end of this one. I also got Fanta. I want to pour it inside my flask. That's how I usually do it. I like ice, but because I'm making this video, it's already defroze. Guys, I'm actually hungry because I did not see the things I got. I hate it when I actually get something with a lot of pain and I can't find it. And I did not lose it because everything was in this tote bag. I did not even bother to say, everything was in that tote bag. So it is what they packed for me that I picked. So there are still things that they said I should bring that I have at home, like what's it called? Edge control. And I actually ate edge control like mad. I ate it a lot because if I should put edge control in my hair, I'm going to itch that hair till we look for a way to clean the edge control. If we did not clean it till I lose the hair, I'm going to be itching it from the first day I made the hair till the end of the hair tenure. So I actually ate edge control, and also this moisturizer, Simple. They said I should just buy moisturizer, but I think I have Simple. My sister has Simple, a lot of Simple, so I'm just going to use it on my face. Cause why not? So yeah, guys, I'm done putting it in my flask. So I think I'm going to go for my first makeup lesson. I only have 1 week to actually learn, and then I'm going to continue learning on my own. If I have a question, I can actually ask her and all of that. But this is going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys actually enjoy it. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Tell me, is you down? 'Cause I'm trying to go good tonight.